Let's give him a wash. Let's get Leo soaped up so there's lots of foam. Hooray! You did it! Now let's wash everything off Leo. Wow, that went great! Now let's help them get dry. Turn on the special machine.